is a perfect square. Now which is that number? See here, first what you do is remove this point. So for removing this point, we'll have to bring 100 over here, right? Now out of these two numbers, 100 is a perfect square of 10, so that is okay. Now only numerator remains. Just check the numerator. Here, for checking the numerator, there are two methods. One is this method, multiplication, and it's also called factorization. And second is the division method, which we have studied in video number 41. Okay, so you can follow that also. So this I have just shown you over here how to do it by factorization. 5 into 1 32 25, then 5 into 5 into 26 45, 5 into 5 into 5 into 529. Now 529 is what? You must always remember these squares. That's why it means squares up to 30. Again I come to the same point. Learn squares up to 30. So 529 is a square of 23 and 23. Now in this full system, or in this full factorization factors, you need to check the groups of 2. 23 23, 5 5, only one what remains is 5. If you have one more 5, then it's a perfect square, right? So multiply by 5. Do by this method, or you can try with the division method also, and the remainder will be 5 in that case. No, not even the remainder, there will be some other number. So best is this factorization. Don't try by that division method in when you have to multiply it. Try with factorization only. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exams you go. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.